All right, welcome back. So we're looking at lesson 9, sprite properties from code.org. This is a challenge activity, and this is height and width. So these are just different properties that we can change for our variables. So in this case, we have this sprite. It looks like it's a giraffe, and if we change it, so it says set animation to giraffe, tall. So this is a tall giraffe. Well, what we want to do for this activity is we're going to use another block that's going to change the properties of this particular sprite. So if we look under here, we have a few of them, dot scale, dot height, even dot x and y would be considered that as well. You have height and width, rotation, tint. We did tint in a previous video. We looked at scale. So in this one, it asks us to only change the height or width of a sprite with other properties. So it says, using either the sprite already created for you or with any other sprites of your choosing, play around with the height and width properties and think about when you would want to use this properties versus using the scale property. Okay, so this just kind of sets the height of it, right? So let's go ahead and just drag out a height for a second. And we're going to go ahead and we'll leave it a sprite, and let's make it 400, and let's see what that looks like. So we can see that what 400 does is it makes it basically the entire width, top to bottom. Okay, so that's basically what this number is. If we were to do 100 height, it's going to be very small. If we do the grid, you can see that that's, this is 50 and this is 50 more, so it's 100. So just to think about that when you're using these numbers and what use. Not so much like a percentage or things like that. We just want what size is it on the screen. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and leave 400. And then if you wanted to, you could use the width as well. And we can do the same thing with that. We'll do 400. And that's going to make it stretch from this side to this side. And you can see that's the widest point of the character. And that's how you affect the height and width. Okay, so another useful tool when you're dealing with sprites and different things you can do with them. So hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.